Members of the National Assembly and 2 senators. One gave apology, one came physically. Out of the 18 members, 12 of us are here. Some are outside the country for official assignment, and some gave their apology. So as a caucus in the National Assembly, we are concerned about the development as it relates to the Kano governorship elections. We will continue to have confidence in Nigerian judiciary. We all know what happened in the tribunal and also what happened in the appeal and the confusion that has followed as a result of the release of the CTC. So as a caucus, we'll continue to discuss amongst ourselves to see how we will continue to encourage the judiciary, to continue to support the judiciary, to always uphold what is right, to always serve justice, to always stand on the side of truth, and to always focus on substantial, as lawyers will say, substantial justice. Well, it is important that you take note of this. We are not fighting anyone. And you can look at it from the history of when we won election, the presidential election itself. We were into talks for alliances. It collapsed. But I can assure you, I'm telling you this, that the position of the NNPP as at today, we're still open for collaboration, alliance, and even merger with all the political parties, both the APC, the PDP, the Labour Party, and any other party that is ready to work with us. But again, we've tried our best, and so we've decided to put ourselves together. Anybody who invites us, we will go and sit down and have discussions with them and see the terms and the condition. The most important thing is that it has to be in the interest of Nigerian people. We're not making trouble with anyone. We are at peace with the president. Everybody knows my relationship with the president. We don't want any trouble. We don't want any fight with anyone. All we ask for is justice. All we ask for is for justice to be served for the good people of Kano State. We thank you so much for coming to this press conference, and we look forward to engaging you more regularly as we move forward. Thank you.